Grenade.
Well, I can't see any. Except now. When he peeps his head up, he's dead.
Kill.
Dead, headshot.
That was me, mate.
Wait, teammate, are you racking up those kills like that?
Yeah.
Revolver.
Son of a
No,
bitch.
my boys. No, I was not. I was racking objectives. Nah, actually, fuck you, teammate.
Something against this mark.
Oh, I think you need that C4, mate.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Sorry, teammate. Wait.
There's two. There's two. Two on road. Got you, baby.
Nice.
Got him. Pistol, baby.
Let me go.
Got him, baby.
Good shot.
See, I told you, I'm good with the pistol. Okay, watch this. You cover me.
I'm sorry, what?
Ow, my hand.
Got him. Sorry, what?
Ow.
Did you get him?
I'm kidding.
I got my grenade.
Killed one. Last one. Good shit.